In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. In edit mode, type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's create a plane and add a curve modifier. If we subdivide the mesh more, the plane will look much smoother on the curve. I'll Shift-Alt select a group of edges like this. The best way to select them all going to the same direction is to press Shift-G and select direction. Type P to separate. We can't use the solidify modifier to make the line-based mesh to look thicker. The best method would be converting the mesh to a curve and beveling it. Please remember to convert all modifiers first. Once we add a material and the environment lighting, then we're all done. Here are the sky texture and composite node settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.